Hello everybody, it's day 43 of doing a random GCSE Maths question every day, and today we are doing question 22 of the November 2020 paper 1. Now, we're given a sector with part of the sector shaded and a circle, and we have to, knowing that both of the areas are equal, we have to find the value of x. So firstly, let's work out the area of part A. Now, considering 45 degrees is an eighth of 360, it's an eighth of a triangle. So the formula is an eighth pi r squared for the entire sector, and then we minus, let's label that r1 for the entire radius, minus an eighth pi r2 squared, where r2 is just a little radius. And then we can factorize 1 over 8 pi out, and then just sub in the r1 squared and r2 squared. So r1 is 2x plus 5x minus 1, plus 3x minus 1, which gives us 5x minus 1 squared, and that is minus 3x minus 1 squared. And then we simply just do a bit of rearranging. 1 over 8 pi 25x squared minus 10x plus 1, and then that is minus 9x squared, due to like the minus there, and then it is minus 6x, so it's plus 6x, and then it is minus 1. And then we just do a bit of simplifying. 1 over 8 pi. Combine like terms, 25 minus 9 equals 16. Minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4x, and then the 1's cancel out. So that's the area of A. Then, just going to label that the little A part. And then for B, what we need to do is we just use pi r squared, where r is half the diameter, so it's just pi times 1 minus x squared, which is just pi times x squared minus 2x plus 1. So then those two are equal to each other, so we can just set them equal to each other. X is equal to pi x squared minus 2x plus 1. Cancel out the pi's, multiply it out by 8, we get 16x squared minus 4x equals 8x squared minus 16x plus 8. Taking it all over to the left hand side, we get 8x squared plus 12x minus 8 equals 0, and then we can simply plug that in to the quadratic formula to get the answers of a half, x equaling a half. I'm assuming you know how to use a quadratic formula, and x equals minus 2. Now, you can't have a negative length, so we ignore the negative, we reject negative, and in some questions you actually have to state you reject the negative. I think that's mainly an A-level thing though, and you can just get away with saying that x equals a half.